Hari Om. Puja Gurudev Swami Chinmayanand Ji always said, you can give without love, but you cannot love without giving. In our culture, we believe that the whole world is one family. Vasudha eva kutumbakam. During these tough times, when everybody is going through difficulties and challenges, each of us must rise up to the occasion and serve as much as we can, in the spirit that Puja Gurudev taught us, that the service of our country is the service of the Lord of Lords, and devotion to the people is the devotion to the Supreme Self. Chinmay Mission Mumbai has been able to serve in a small way during this COVID times, and we want to see as much as we can serve. We want to expand and reach as many people and serve as much as we can. So we want to do 5 types of daan. Annadan, where we serve food to the families. Vidyadan, we provide educational scholarships. Aushadhidan, we conduct medical camps. Shaktidan, where we hold mental health programs, various workshops, and various classes and programs for all age groups to empower them from within. And Atmagyandan, sharing of self-knowledge. We want to do these 5 types of daan as our duty. Daan is not a favor that we do, daan is an obligatory duty that we have, and it purifies us. It is said beautifully that service is a rent that you pay to stay on this planet. So we want to serve as much as we can, and we seek your support in this service. To do the 5 types of daan that we mentioned, we require your support. We need your resources, Dravyadan and Dhandan. We want your time and effort, Samaydan and Shramdan. And we want that all this you do out of great love, Prem Dan. So 5 types of daan if you are able to do, 5 types of daan together we all can do. Please support us during this Daan Utsav through your generous contributions. You can go to my page on Keto. The link is given in the description below. If you are already on the page of Keto, please click donate now and contribute whatever best you can. It will all go towards serving the society. Maximum happiness to maximum people for the maximum time is the motto of Chinmay Mission. So let maximum of us come together to maximize happiness. Do maximum seva, spread maximum love with maximum efforts. Let's maximize happiness. Hari Om.